In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Pandadoc. We will go from a blank dashboard to a finished document that is ready to send for signature. Along the way, I will point out a few small tips that make the process smoother and help you avoid common mistakes. Start on your Pandadoc dashboard. In the top left, find the green plus Create button and click it. This is the main starting point for building anything new in Pandadoc. From the menu that appears, select Document. Choosing Document tells Pandadoc that you want a file that can be filled out and signed, rather than another type of item. Next, you will choose what your document is based on. If you already have a template saved in your library, select the template that matches what you need. Templates are useful when you send the same type of agreement repeatedly, because the layout and fields can already be set up. If you are working from a file on your computer, click Upload and import a local PDF or Word document. Give the upload a moment to finish so the pages render cleanly before you continue. Now add your recipients. Type each recipient's name and email address into the recipient area, then click Continue. Take your time here, because the recipient list controls who can view and complete each part of the document. If there is more than one person involved, make sure everyone is added before moving on. Once you are in the editor, you will place the fillable fields. On the right-hand panel, you will see fields such as signature, date, and text. Drag and drop the fields onto the correct spots in your document. Aim to align them neatly with the lines or boxes on the page. If you are adding multiple fields, place the signature and date near the signing section, and use text fields anywhere someone needs to type information. When everything looks correct, go to the top right and click Send. Choose Send via email to finish. Review the recipient list one last time, then send the document so your recipients can open it, complete their fields, and sign. And that covers everything you need to know.